Workflows are connected to objects. Like all pages, we have the basic search bar, group tool, adding or deleting columns, and the ability to save or create a view. If you select a workflow, the selection button appears. Here you can adjust a lot of things related to this workflow. If you click the workflow, it will open the passport for this specific workflow. In this case, it's a work order for this object. So here we have the general information of the object. And if we scroll down, we see more specific information regarding to this work order. Here we find the malfunction report, notes given by the mechanic, images added by the mechanic. On the equipment, we find a detailed list what equipment is found in the object. What kind of equipment you find is depending on what template is used for the object. Near the bottom we find articles and documents regarding this object. And last but not least we have the remaining work, quotations, potentially an LMRA and the status log of this object. At the top we can add or view the signature, modify the work order in this case, delete the work order, export the work order to PDF with or without prices, and view the object for more information.